As the thumbnail says, fake or real. After watching this video to the end, I assure you that you get to know whether the Aviator Predictor app is real. So like this video, subscribe and turn on post notification for more similar content. My name is Yade Kingsley. This is Yade King Tech. You can shorten it to make it DK Tech. It's also accepted. Let's get into the video. So before I start everything, we need to install the Aviator Predictor app so you get to know that I have the Aviator Predictor app. So before that, I'd like to take you through the installation process. So on my Android phone, let's go to File and locate the APK file and install. So let's search for the file. So this is the file. So now that you see that I have the app, let's install it. So after installation, we need to open the app and see what they have for us. So with what you've seen so far, I think you still believe in me and you are interested in watching this video to the end. So keep watching, like this video, subscribe, and also turn on post notification and continue watching this video. So we need an activation. We need an activation code to run this app. So before the activation code, or before I input the activation code, we choose Sportybet Aviator or any Aviator we are going to use. But for now, I'll be using the Sportybet Aviator. So we choose that, and let me insert the code. Okay, so I've inserted the code and you can see it has opened. So this is their front page. So to start this predictor, you need to click on the next game to see the prediction for the next game. So before I click on this, I'm reminding you to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notification for more similar content, because at the end of this video you are going to find out whether this Aviator app or this Aviator Predictor app is real or it's fake. So moving back to my PC, let us launch the Aviator game on my PC, and then we'll use the Predictor app over here to determine the prediction of the next game, and we'll find out if it is real. So now that we have the Aviator Predictor and the game here, let's get to see how it goes. So let's wait after the next game and then we get our prediction from the Predictor app. So now that the plane has flew away, let's click on the next game and check. So the next game, the prediction for the next game is 2.95. So we expect, oh, see, the plane flew so early. So let's try this on the next game. So the next game says 1.55. So the result should bring 1.55. So it flew at 1.57. So you can see so far 2 games and the predictor is wrong. So this one says 3.58 and it flew at 1.32. So let's try another one. With this, they said 2.13. So let's see how it goes. So it has bypassed the 2.13 and it has still not flew. So the app is totally wrong. So with what I have shown you so far, you should be able to make your decision on whether the Aviator Predictor app is true or it's fake. So I think it's fake. Yes, because I have the app and I got the password as well. So in the video you saw previously, we used the Predictor app against the Aviator game, and you can see that all the predictions they gave were wrong. So I'm using this opportunity to tell you or to inform you or to caution you that don't fall for the lies people tell you on Telegram about the Aviator Predictor. It's all not true. It's fake. The Aviator Predictor app is fake. So without saying much, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification, and then make sure you come back to this channel and watch all our videos, because as time goes on, I'll be giving you similar useful videos. So catch you up in my next upload.